Ah, such a nice morning. Well, I better start my train up. Come on. You just see outside. All clear. I can't believe how good of a driver I am. There's the station. What the heck? Huh? Now what's going on? Come on. Did I just pull the emergency brake? Worse. Did it just break? Oh my god, I'm so unlucky. Hopefully the signal's clear now. Yeah, it's clear. Oh my god, look at the time. I'm late. I'm late. Come on. Hurry up. I'm not supposed to be on this road. It's so late. Oh my god. Sorry for the wager. The people say, oh my god, you're so dumb. Why are you so clumsy? It's not my fault. It was poorly designed. It's like your car is poorly designed. It did not. Did the engine just break? Yeah. Okay, maybe my car is poorly designed. I'll just have to wait on the station then. No, the train's gonna crash! Look out! Ooh! Oh my god, this is not my fault. What am I gonna say? I gotta get fired? Wait, I'm fired? No, wait. It's a glitch. Ooh! I'm having the time of my life. Okay, let's just quit.